Number 5. Now in this case we are going to perform operation of division between two rational algebraic expressions. Take the numerator of the first algebraic expression 3x square minus x minus 2. Product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term is 6. Here the sign is minus and coefficient of the middle term is 1. Two number which when multiplied give the answer 6 and which on subtraction give the answer 1. 3 and 2. 3 2s is 6 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So keeping all the other terms and the sign same, split the middle term. 3x square minus, take the bigger number 3x, minus into minus plus 2x minus 2. Pair the first term and the last two term. 3 is common in both the term, even x is also common. So here I have already taken 3 common and from x square I have taken x common. So x minus 3x I have taken common, so there is only 1. Plus 2 is common in both the term, x minus 1. Now again take x minus 1 common from both the terms, x minus 1, 3x plus 2. So replace the numerator by its factor. X minus 1, 3x plus 2. Now take the denominator, x square minus 7x plus 12. Product of the coefficient of the first term and the last term is 12. Sign is plus. Coefficient of the middle term is 7. Two number which when multiplied give the answer 12 and which when added give 7. 4 and 3. 4 3s is 12 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So keeping all the other term same, split the middle term. Sign also same. The bigger number is 4. 4x minus into plus minus 3x plus 2. Pair up the first two term and the last two term. X is common in both the terms. X minus 4. Since here it is minus, you will take minus common. Now in both the term 3 is common, so take minus 3 common. When you take minus common, the sign of both the term will change. So here it is minus 3x, but since you have taken 3 common, plus x. Here it is plus 12 and from 12 you have taken 3 common, so minus 4, because 12 is 3 into 4 and you are taking 3 common, so only 4 is left. But since you are taking minus also, this plus will become minus, x minus 4. Make sure that the expression in the bracket is same. If it is x minus 4 here, it should be x minus 4 in the second bracket also. Now take x minus 4 common, x minus 3. So now replace the denominator by x minus 4, x minus 3. Division. x square minus 7x minus 6. Product of the first coefficient of the first term and the constant term is 18. 3 6 are 18. Sign is minus and coefficient of the middle term is 7. Two number which on multiplication give 18 and which on subtracting give the answer 7. 9 and 2, 9 2s is 18 and 9 minus 7, 9 minus 2 is 7. So the two numbers are 9 and 7. Keeping all the term and sign same, split the middle term. The bigger number is 9. Minus into minus plus. Pair the first two term, last two term. In the first two term, 3x is common and x minus 3. Plus in this next two term, 2 is common, x minus 3. X minus 3 is common in both the term. Here it is 3x, this plus 2. So replace the denominator by x minus 3, 3x plus 2 upon x square minus 4. Now here I am going to use the expansion formula a square minus b square because there is no middle term in this expression. A plus b into a minus b. But before that you have to write both the term as the square of an expression. X square is square of x minus 4 is square of 2. Now applying the expansion formula, this is x plus 2, x minus 2. A is x and b is 2. Now when you are dividing two rational algebraic expressions, you convert the division into multiplication. You already know that because when you divide two rational numbers, we convert the division into multiplication and we take the reciprocal of the second rational number. So here also we are going to use the same method. Keep the first rational algebraic expression as it is. Now convert division into multiplication, but when you convert division into multiplication, take the reciprocal of the second algebraic expression. Reciprocal means numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. Now see whether there is any common term. Cancel out. So only 3x plus 2 in the numerator and the denominator get cancelled out. Now write the remaining term x minus 1 into x plus 2 x minus 2. You are multiplying upon x minus 4 x minus 3 into x minus 3. Now this you can again write it as x plus 2 x minus 2 upon x minus 4 x minus 3 into x minus 3 is x minus 3 the whole square, because when you are multiplying the same term you get a square. So x minus 3 into x minus 3 is x minus 3 the whole square. Question number 6. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. Numerator is 4x square minus 11x plus 6. Take the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term 24. So when multiplied you should get 24. The sign here is plus. Coefficient of the middle term is 11. Two number which when multiplied give the answer 24 and which when added give the answer 11. 24 is 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So now keeping all the terms same, split the middle term. 4x square, the bigger number is 8, minus plus minus plus 6. Pair up the first two term and the last two term. The first two term 4x is common, x minus 2. Here it is minus, so you have to take minus common. In both the term 3 is common, so minus 3 you should take as common. Minus 3x, but since you have taken minus outside, here it will be plus x. Plus, but since you have taken minus outside, it will be minus. 6 is 3 into 2, but since you have taken 3 common, 2. Now again take x minus 2 common from both the bracket, 4x minus 3. So now replace the numerator by its factor, x minus 2, 4x minus 3. Now in the denominator there is no middle term, so we are going to the variable has power 2. So we are going to use a formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. But before that we have to write each term as a square of an expression. 16 is 4 square, x square is x the whole square, minus 9 is 3 square. So when you go back, you should get 16x square minus 9 from 4x the whole square minus 3 square. Now here you can use law of integers. 4 square is 16, x the whole square is x square minus 9 square. So you're getting 16x square minus 9 back. So now use the expansion formula. Replace a by 4x and b by 3. 4x plus 3, 4x minus 3. Whenever there is division and multiplication, you can cancel the common term in the numerator and the denominator. But if it is plus and minus, you cannot cancel. X minus 2 upon 4x plus 3.